Recently I bought two items from Direct Tools. One is a multi-tool. Haven't fixed anything yet, and still looks good, although it says actually it's a recon. Yeah, indicated a recon. Okay, have to plug the battery in. Lights go on. So set to 1. Yeah, this thing start to move. Actually feel the vibration from here. We can actually press and lock. So we just continue to on. There's a light indicates where we are working on. So release and switch it off. So these things looks still almost like new, but it has actually been used. The other one that I bought is a reciprocating saw, and also a factory blemish or factory recon, but it still looks very new. Okay. So let's try this. There it goes, vibrating. You can actually see this inside moving. So I put the saw, the blade inside, it will actually be able to cut the items that you want to cut. So only thing that this one doesn't have any light, but there's a lock to prevent anyone from actually pressing the trigger. That's it.